Why does your scanner show the P0948 engine code? What does it mean? P0948 is a diagnostic trouble code for hydraulic pump relay circuit high. This engine code indicates that this means the transmission control module has detected a voltage level that is too high in the circuit, controlling the hydraulic pump, which is responsible for the vehicle's hydraulic and transmission functions. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty hydraulic pump relay, wiring issues, faulty control module, open or shorted harness, oil pressure sender. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Peugeot 308 and Citroën C5 models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.